Welcome to CORA X Lite. During this video in our CORA X Lite series, we demonstrate how to back up your user data and system data. I will begin by installing profile number 1. The actionable items that are associated with profile number 1 will be loaded with this profile.
It is vitally important that you back up your system, including the encryption key. If a single byte is corrupted or compromised, then you will never decrypt your CORAfied, protected, data. Let me stress this by saying it again: without the exact system data, it will be impossible for anyone, including you, to read your protected data. You must back up and maintain your system data and your user data. All backups must have a password. Backup should be dispersed over 2 files, ideally on different devices. For example, in practice I would place at least one file on a USB flash drive, and perhaps use a cloud-based location for the second file. While user data may use a single file, system backups must use 2 different files. For demonstration purposes, I will place both files on the same device. Since the public may view these tutorials, I do now want to reveal any actual locations that I would use in practice.
Let us go ahead and uninstall Profile 1, then install Profile 2. Each profile that you are using must have its own backup. Once again, for this tutorial only, I will place both backup fragments on the same device. You must confirm your password, and these passwords must conform to the same requirements, namely, at least 6 characters including uppercase, lowercase, a number and special character, or 10 characters. It is not necessary to uninstall this profile. However, note that if a profile is not installed, then you cannot do a system backup.
It's time to do a user data backup. It is always best to use dispersed files. However, for this tutorial, I will use a single file for my user data backup. All backups require a proper password that is confirmed.
We will finish this tutorial with a quick look at the dispersed backup files. They are dated, and then include the profile name and type of backup, namely, system or user data. Notice that for dispersed files, the file name is identical except that there is a number 2 in between the profile name and type of backup. This indicates that this is the second file in a dispersed backup. This naming convention demonstrates the importance of using different devices for your backups.
We hope this video was helpful. Have a great day.